All right, so we're here in Springfield, Virginia, taking care of a property for property manager that uses us religiously for all their carpet cleaning needs, carpet installation needs, cleaning needs. It varies, right? So as you can see, our first step is vacuuming. Then our second step is pre-spray, and then where's the pre-spray at? Right here. Then our third step is brush pro, which we agitate the carpets with. And then we've already done these first two rooms. So there's my guy freshening up the carpets here, very detailed. And then we're gonna come out here, and these are carpets that we haven't even touched yet as far as vacuuming or brush proing or pre-spray. So as you can see what it looks like right now. Okay. And then this area right here. Okay. All right, stand by.